Right, another variation with regards to fast bowling is the leg cutter. We're not going to use the wrist. The bowler will run up like he's going to bowl a normal seam. Hands, fingers on the seam, exactly the same. But the movement's obviously going to be with regards to, rolling the fingers. The ball should go from leg stump or middle stump and away from the batsman. Again, it's all in the action. You don't want to slow your arm speed down too much. It's more, again, surprise the batsman, but at the point of release. So you're running in like you're going to bowl a normal delivery, but at the point of release, you're just going to roll your fingers again, and the ball should go from either middle stump or leg stump and away from the right-hand batsman. So let's go through it. Again, as you can see, there's no difference with regards to the wrist and the ball itself, the stock delivery. There's no difference in the grip. All he's going to be doing is going to be rolling his fingers from, like you do with the leg break, from leg stump to off stump. That particular action. And hopefully if the wicket actually grips a little bit, the ball will just hold a little bit and deviate off the wicket just a little bit from either middle stump or leg stump towards the off stump or outside off. So again, the later you can actually release the ball, the better. You don't want to give anything away with regards to your grip. You're going to hold it normally like a seam, like you normally do with the seam. But at the point of release, just to roll the fingers from leg stump towards off stump. Right, that's all for now for this episode. Please join me for the next one.